This is what they say, do it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, atmosphere, big head, college park, harbor home, come smoking home, grown, choking on that home grown, they pop their southern cooking, they got the Dallas looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it, that's when I say no, Shawty can't handle this, never got that fire. Round here we find the slow. We keep it good and you should know. Getting drunk off in the club, we get low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, baby, bag it up. Getting drunk off in the club, we get low. Ready, take a new whip, make strip into a bowling ball. Still smoke, money smoke, wood grain on the wall. Ice skate, big chase, fellas call them red bone. Close cuts, braids long, gangsters, they got their southern cooking, they got them fellas looking. Wishing I was easy, I can see it, that's when I say no. Shawty can't handle this, never got that body like round here we ride slow. Keep it good, you should know. Getting drunk off in the club, we get low. Ladies, all my ladies to the floor. Handle it, baby, bag it up. Yeah, in the club, yeah. Get low.
Okay. Southern style, get wild, old school, coming down in a different color whip. Picture perfect, you might wanna take a flick. Call up Jazzy, tell him pop the bottles, cause we got another hit. Wanna go platinum, I'm who you should get. Ludacris on the track, get back, trick switch on the like I'm flexing steel. Same fight every time, hot song dumped on, cause he already got sex appeal. And I keep the meanest, cleanest, baddest, spinning on stainless wheels. Could care less about your genius, I bump your status, I keep the stainless steel. Trunk rattling, what's happening high? I don't even think I need the speed. Bass traveling, cheeks crackling high. Turn it up and make the speakers bleed. Dirty South, we ballin', dog. And never think about falling, dog. Ghetto harmonizing, surprising, running back cause the song is cool.
Round here we ride slow. We keep it good and you should know. Getting drunk off in the club, we get low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, ladies, bag it up. Getting drunk off in the club, we get low. Round here we ride slow. We keep it good, you should know. Getting drunk off in the club, we get low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, ladies, bag it up. Getting drunk off in the club, we get low.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They know I'm a beast, I wake the giants up again. Shining once again. Ran it up, I told her mama, shot in my DMs. Done right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Got her ass again. Then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want. Spoil us up.
Know every move, skin on skin, no separation, need no competition, nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going zero to a high, nah, nah. Right, and wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking, it's taking me too long. Right before I decide to go. And like you heard me, only suck it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stone. You heard me, only sum it up if you deserve me, yeah. Put up and hurt me, it's the stars. Pushing on my buttons and no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now pushing on my buttons and no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Come give me life and I'll change yours. Who needs signs? I say for it on the high when we load it. Hold me, hold me, hold me. You hurt me, only sum it up if you deserve me, yeah.